Hello. So we're going to try to do a little demo. We're logged into the computer, and Aaron is going to log into the iPad, the same meeting.
Yeah, so I have Zoom on my iPad, clicking join. I choose my meeting ID. And so I'm going to say don't connect to audio and turn off my video because then it just creates feedback. Join. It's coming, joining, connecting. Okay, so I connected the iPad. And now I can do, from the iPad, I can do share content. So which is like a green box with the arrow pointing up at the top. And then you do, so I have a file in Dropbox that I want to share. So I find the file.
I'm going to close the door.
So this is for something I probably will do this afternoon with the math counts team. And then once you find the file, you have to click share on the top right. It's loading. So here's our file. So this is the competition target round problems 1 and 2. And then so I can go to the next page and then show the kids this file and have them do the problems that are displayed on the screen. You know, they can spend however much time they want. And then, but once they're done, we can annotate them. Where I could say, think about it. I didn't actually solve these problems yet, but say x is equal to, number of pounds. This is hard. It's still a little bit hard to write. It's a little bit better than no, that's really messy. But I mean, also this is a pretty small iPad. If you have a bigger iPad, it might work a little bit better. Or a little bit of practice, but it's a little bit. But if you have 2 screens, then you can do, or maybe I should also try just putting it down on the desk, make it a little easier. Or if you have like an Apple Pen, which we don't have, that would also look nicer. But in principle, you can do this. You can also there's a white, and then there's pen. There's different. You can do highlighter. Highlight the things you want to talk about.
And sorry to interrupt. This is just the Zoom software. So this is their annotation software. So once you use once you start sharing document, Zoom allows you to do.
Yeah, I think so. I don't think it doesn't stay on your file, all these annotations. You haven't seen it yet. And then there's also, you can just go to a whiteboard and then, so I guess all the annotations stay there and then draw some more. Have them solve some quadratic equations or whatever you want, or point out something, and I think you can then go back to the with the file that you're sharing. So all this annotation stays on top of that. And then you can go to the next page. I guess all it stays there still, so you have to clear it out.
There's an eraser, right?
I mean, there's an eraser, yes. Yeah, we're playing, we're learning all these things.
We're learning too.
And it's probably a more efficient way of doing this, but I mean, once you start playing around, we're also going to try doing this with some kids later on today, so we'll have more experience after that, actually seeing what works and what doesn't.
Mommy, just
okay. Thank you.
Who are you talking to?